Fontana dell'Acqua Paola, also known as Il Fontanone, is a monumental fountain located on the Janiculum hill in Rome. Commissioned by Pope Paul V and completed in 1612, it was designed by Giovanni Fontana and Flaminio Ponzio. The fountain marks the end of the Aqua Paola aqueduct, which was restored to bring fresh water to Trastevere. Featuring a grand facade with multiple arches, it uses materials from ancient Roman ruins. The fountain offers a panoramic view of Rome and is a popular spot for both tourists and locals. It is easily accessible and best visited in the early morning or late afternoon.